Are you interested in selling your products internationally? Grow your market presence in global regions with localized site content, currencies, and channels using BigCommerce. Grow your presence across the globe with a single tool. With BigCommerce's multi-storefront technology, leverage localized content, catalogs, and currency to win more sales, boost brand loyalty, and gain market share. You can use its stencil framework or the CMS of your choice to build a unique, branded site experience and push localized content to the proper geographies for growth and conversion. Plus, you can display, transact, and settle in over 100 currencies to avoid any hidden costs passed on to your shoppers. Wherever your shoppers are, they can pay in the way they choose. You will be able to customize product catalogs, pricing, and promotions for your target regions so you can adapt the strategy according to the location of your audience. Using Apis, you can plug BigCommerce into your existing tech stack to automate data flow and ease multi-site management. Or create customized commerce experiences for regional customers. You can have a catalog API to utilize a product information management system and simultaneously push localized product descriptions to various sites. You can employ a headless commerce strategy to use your CMS front-end experience of choice and track back to a single BigCommerce checkout, see compliance included. And you can customize the BigCommerce checkout to meet international customer needs and expectations with a checkout SDK that gives head start. If you are interested in acquiring BigCommerce services, you can get a special deal by clicking on the link in the description below. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more exciting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.